Hi there, Happy New Year from O Slots. This is Roland from O Slots, and Beth is making New Year's Day dinner. I just thought I'd jump on here and make a quick video. It's been a while since we did a video with Christmas and New Year's and everything going on, but I want to share a quick little money saving tip with you. When you're buying postage stamps, when you're sending letters to Chumba Casino or maybe another online casino, we are doing our letters and we're sending them by postage, so we need stamps. Well, maybe you already know this, but it's new to me. I found a way to save some more money on postage stamps. So, what Beth has been doing is she's been buying her postage stamps in bulk from either at our local post office or online at our post office. We're in Canada, and it costs like $113 with tax. Now they're saying that our Canada postage stamps are supposed to go up in price. So in the new year, so now's a good time to buy those rolls of Canada postage stamps. And you get the one with the P because those are the forever stamps. But anyways, we've been buying them for like 113 with tax. The other day we were in Costco. Now this was just before Christmas. We were doing some groceries and Christmas shopping just before Christmas. And there's a display there where they have tickets for events like maybe it's movies or hockey games at the local arena or anything like that in where that Costco is. So I was looking at all the things on there, even Disney tickets and stuff like that, I believe, and I saw Canada postage stamps. And I looked, and it was 100 count postage stamps, like here in the video. I filmed this really quick while I was sitting in a Costco and they were less. They were like $94, I believe, or 94, 99, 95, somewhere around that, but you're saving another $5 or $6 per roll of stamps. I thought, well, that's pretty cool of them, you know. Every little bit counts because we're sending these letters into Chumba or any or another online casino, and we're turning those letters into sweep coins, and then we can convert those into real money. So any savings we make is a plus, right? So then I thought I should look up online and see if this is the same thing in the USA. And sure enough, it is. Now, I don't know the current price. I didn't bother looking it up for your USA stamp, your postage stamps, but here it just goes to show you. I don't know when this was, if it's current, like 57.75 for a 100 count pack of stamps from Costco. That's probably going to be a little cheaper than it is at your postal service wherever you buy stamps. So I just thought I'd put that out there so that everybody gets a heads up in case they didn't know that you can buy your stamps at an even like in bulk, but also at a cheaper cost. And I hope this video helps you. I still have to put out a video of filming Beth make out her letters and her envelopes just to see how long it takes her now that she has some time under her belt of writing out her letters and her stamps. I just want to see how long it takes her, and we'll put that video up in the future. Happy New Year, everyone, and we'll see you on another video. Take care.